Hey everybody, Jacob with Scooters Lawn Care here in Springfield, Illinois. Today we are talking about landscape bed cleanup. And this matters to you so much right now because landscape beds, with all the spring rain, with the increase in temperature, weeds are starting to grow and maybe even grow aggressively in your bed. So this is the perfect opportunity before some of the events like 4th of July and the rest of summer to get this under control and to really clean this up. So a landscape bed cleanup is typically weeding the entire bed, cleaning all that out, ripping out anything that needs ripped out, potentially adding some additional plants if plants have died and squaring that portion of it away, and then remulching or re-rocking certain areas to bring it back to where it needs to be, vibrant, and bring it to a level of really being able to maintain it well. Once you've established that clean landscape bed, then you can also have something like a bed maintenance program if you want us to do it, or if you want to do it yourself, stay on top of that with very minimal monthly weed spraying to maintain the bed. Because no matter what, weeds in beds, once it's warm, and even if there's no rain, weeds grow like crazy with the heat. If you stay on top of those while they're small, you won't have as many issues. So you can start with that cleanup, get everything taken care of, and then you can go to more of a maintenance phase with a little bit of pre-emergent on the bed as well, whether it's rock or mulch. If there were weed problems, pre-emergent is a must. So if we do it, we use it. If you DIY the maintenance of it, you should use it as well. It's gonna make the weed control so much easier because it's gonna keep some of those weeds from germinating and turning into a very problemsome weed. And now finally, when landscape beds and areas get overgrown with weeds or shrubs get out of control and overgrow some, typically these are next to patios and other areas that also get dirty because of this. Extra leaves falling on them, stuff dropping from plants. So the tail end piece to this that will make that whole setup even better and even more prepared for summer is pressure washing. If you've done all this and then the patio or the deck is dirty, that's something we can also pressure wash for you to make sure that whole outdoor living area, the landscaping that beautifies it, the area where you really get to enjoy that time, everything is set for the season and is ready to be maintained at a high, beautiful, exceptional level. And we would love to help you with that. So whether you do it on your own or you hire us, those are some of the things that we're seeing tons of right now. We would love the opportunity to help you.